Have you ever had trouble reading text on your phone, especially in bright light or with certain apps? With Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a simple way to make everything easier on your eyes. It's called high contrast font. Let me show you how to turn it on and even how to make it just a tap away when you need it. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Now look for High Contrast Font and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, you will see a difference. Text across your phone becomes bolder, clearer, and easier to read. With this feature, your phone will add a subtle outline or shadow to letters so they stand out better from the background without changing your font style or size. It's perfect for anyone with low vision or just anyone who wants sharper, more defined text. Also, a bonus tip, you can set up a shortcut to toggle this feature on or off whenever you want. Go back in the Vision Enhancement menu, tap High Contrast Font, toggle on High Contrast Font shortcut, and then tap it. From here, you can choose to use the button in the Quick Settings panel, the Accessibility button, the combination of the side and volume up button, or the combination of the volume up and down button. You can use this shortcut to quickly turn the high contrast font on or off. As the example, if you choose the accessibility button, then the high contrast font option will be listed in the accessibility menu shortcut and let you enable or disable it quickly from here. This is super helpful if you only want high contrast font sometimes, like when you are outside, tired, or reading a lot of text. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.